I'll buy it for 300. It will take the amount of ammo for a rift inducer, so you know, it's not that much. Obani, Draco, Malfoy. Malfoy. This place is cool. No new weapons? Good. I wonder when Slim will call us up, because when there's a new weapon at Slim's place, he normally says, hey, guess what? Come and get your new weapon, we have one for you. Blah 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 blah. So, yeah, hopefully he'll call us up about that soon. So I'm sure he gives us the plasma coil soon. But, yeah, Nefarious' ship, the Leviathan, if I'm correct, that's next. And if it's next, my favourite cutscene in the game is after that place. So I'm very much looking forward to that. Yes! Beautiful. Oh damn. Oh man, this thing's powerful. It upgrades so quickly as well, that's the thing. It's powerful and it just upgrades so fast. It's beautiful! Seriously, save up for this. If you're gonna save up for anything, this is it. Don't bother about anything else. Everything else is meaningless in comparison to this weapon. That reminds me, I'm gonna have to go back to Annihilation Nation. Disco Ball! I do like this room, it's pretty cool. I wonder why it's a disco ball. I wonder why the layout's like this. I wonder if there's a boss relating to this stuff. Bet there totally isn't. Bet it's completely unrelated to anything ever in the history of ever. Bet it is. I feel like there's like a titanium bolt somewhere around here, but I'm probably wrong. I can't remember where I came from. I can't remember if I came through there or the middle. Soon find out. So I was looking for a titanium bolt, but now I don't know. I came through there. Didn't I? Yes, I did. The new enemy suggests that I came through the other way. Hey guys! What's up? God, this thing's powerful. Why is this game so damn good? So damn good. Why? Why? So damn good. Whoop. Whoop. Ow. Ah, we're there. The end of the level.
This is the testing laboratory for the Biobliterator.
Let's see what Nefarious has been up to.
Whoa! Like I never knew you were this kinky, Miss Gears.
Don't you ever shut up.
Okay, I'll zip it. Man, the guys aren't gonna believe this.
Like, destroy all squishies, dude.
What? They turned Skid into a robot? That's impossible!
Not for Dr. Nefarious.
Don't be afraid, Ratchet. The transformation doesn't hurt. Much. Besides, I think you'll enjoy being a robot.
Let's see if you can fight better than you can sing.
Alright!
Yeah, what's up people? It's Courtney Gears. You feeling me, robots? I'm feeling you. I see a future, and what do I see? Robots going crazy across the galaxy. Can't stand organics, they're soft and squishy. The time is now, we robots must be free. You wanna be free? Then shout with me, yeah! This goes out to all you robots across the galaxy. It's time for you and me to rise up and strike back. Don't stop until we dominate. Won't you feel great when we exterminate all organic life? So damn good. Love that song. Courtney, you're going down. Unfortunately, the Rift won't do anything against her. But that's okay, we got other weapons. Other weapons exist. Like this. Let's kill. Destroy her. Annihilate her. Let's see what I did there. Get the weapon I'm using. Pretty good. It's pretty good, right? Infect her. Gotta kill her before she kills us. Gotta infect her with her robotic lusts. I don't know. She's kind of sexy. I mean, sorry. What I meant was Rule 34. No, what I meant was what I actually meant. I'll stop talking. Hydra. Be helpful if I could face her, but yeah. How much does that do? Actually, it's not bad. Hydra, pretty good. Goodbye, Courtney. You're gonna die soon. Okay, it's doing some damage, but not enough. Mini turret. Haha! Such a good reference. Oh my god. Oops, I did it again. Ah. I assume by now you know it's a parody of Britney Spears. I hope you know that by now. And Oops, I Did It Again is one of her songs. That is so good. Oh my god, I've never noticed that before. That's fantastic. Money.
One disposable pop star disposed.
You okay, Clank?
Transmission from the Phoenix.
We've located Nefarious' cruiser. It's refueling at the Zeldrin starport. Quark is already on his way there.
It might be a trap. I think Courtney Gears was setting us up. Even so, it could be our only chance to stop Nefarious. We'll meet Quark at the starport.
Be careful, Ratchet.
Come on, Clank. We'll come back for Skid later.
Like destroy all squishies and stuff.
Seriously, reverse that clip and Skid is doing the moonwalk perfectly. I'm totally gonna add that in. It's brilliant. I was invisible for a second. I always encountered the invisible glitch, which I assume is something only on HD port, but whatever. It's still cool, okay? Okay? Okay.